welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Daigakuimo, candied sweet potato. It is a traditional sweet treat. Only 50% of my Instagram followers knew this dish, so if you have never heard of this dish or if you have never tried it, you have to try it out. It is simple yet delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Wash the sweet potato and cut into bite-sized pieces. Soak in water for 5 minutes. Drain and remove excess water with paper towels. It is to prevent oil from splattering. Place the sweet potatoes in a frying pan. Coat with cooking oil. Cover and cook on medium for 3 minutes. Be careful when the oil is popping, turn the heat down to low and flip them over. Again, cover and cook on medium for 3 minutes. Insert a bamboo skewer to check if they are done. Then remove excess oil with paper towels. Then add sugar, soy sauce, and vinegar. If the sugar is not melting, you can cover and steam. Then finish with toasted black sesame seeds. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.今日はね、娘が幼稚園に行っちゃっていないんだけど、すごく気に入ってました。いただきます。海外の幼稚園とか学校とは違って、日本はほぼほぼもうお弁当にお菓子はダメで、ただこの大学芋みたいな料理はおかずとしてお弁当に入れることができるので、ちょっとね甘いものが出したいなという時にはすごくおすすめです。娘もお弁当に入れていきました。ぜひ使ってみてください。美味しいです。